Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my channel once again. Today we have a FOMC meeting conclusion and Fed chairman will be conducting a press conference today. We have almost certainty that there will not be a interest rate hike, because as we all know Fed have already cleared that they will not hike any interest rate before 2022 and 23. However, we might finally come to know what actually Fed thinks about rising inflation, because many are speculating that Fed has to increase interest rate in order to combat the higher inflation. So finally tonight we will able to know what exactly Fed thinks about rising inflation and what exactly Fed expect to do to stop that hot inflation. So here we are. This is Dow Jones hourly chart. Currently Dow Jones is trading 34,262. Interestingly, it have entered in weak zone. So if you have watched my yesterday's video, then you must be knowing that today's trend is weak, because it has already broken the support which I given yesterday. So let's quickly find out today's resistance and support. Dow Jones resistance now stands at 34,370. Dow Jones support stands at 34,150. Currently Dow Jones is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to Nasdaq, then we will see commodities. This is Nasdaq chart. Currently it is trading 14,056. Yesterday it made high around 14,160. It was an all-time high. Let's quickly have a look at resistance and support. Nasdaq resistance stands at 14,120. Nasdaq support, however, stands at 13,970. Currently Nasdaq is also in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to gold, silver and crude oil. Gold is trading 1858.80. It is trading in a very narrow range since it's open today. Let's quickly have a look at resistance and support. Then of course we will assess the trend of the market. Gold resistance stands at $1866. Gold support, however, stands at $1848. Currently gold is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to silver and crude oil now. This is silver chart. Clearly it is outperforming the gold today. Yesterday it made low around 2740 and since then it is bouncing back very good. Very bravely I should say, because gold is in under pressure since yesterday and still it is trading under pressure. Let's quickly find out the resistance and support in silver now. Silver resistance stands at $27.86. Silver support is still intact at $27.40. Currently silver is in weak zone, but I think we will be able to enter in positive zone very soon. But today, as I have already cleared in video's beginning, today we have a very major event of FOMC press conference, so do not take any position even if silver enters in positive zone. Let's move on to crude oil. This is crude oil chart. Currently it is trading 72.30. Still it is trading in positive zone. It have not broke the support which I gave in my morning video. You can watch my morning video on my Hindi channel. Even if you do not understand Hindi, you would be able to understand the level, because I write the level just like I am typing here right now. Currently crude oil is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. But if crude oil breaks 71.90 and manage to sustain below that level, then it will enter in weak zone. Otherwise crude oil is looking positive. We have a crude oil inventory today as well, so stay cautious. Let's move on to Euro, GBP, USD, then we will see cryptocurrencies. This is Euro chart. Since yesterday it is trading in a very narrow range. Currently it is trading 21.17. Let's have a look at resistance and support. Euro resistance stands at Euro resistance at 2140. Euro support at 2090. Currently Euro is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to GBP USD, then we will see Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is GBP USD. Currently it is trading 41.16. Finally GBP USD have entered in positive zone. So let's quickly have a look at resistance and support. Support stands at 40.70. Resistance however stands at 41.55. Currently it is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. Let me remind you one thing, today we have a Fed event, so do not take any major position and do not hold any position till market clear all the air regarding Fed meeting. Let's move on to cryptocurrency now. This is Bitcoin chart. Currently it is trading $39,000 after making a low around $38,860. Interestingly, it is trading in weak zone. It just entered in weak zone. So let's quickly have a look at resistance and support. Bitcoin resistance now stands at $40,300. Bitcoin support stands at $38,200. Currently Bitcoin is in weak zone, so avoid going for sell. Let's move on to Ethereum before concluding the video. If you are still watching this video without clicking the like button, please do hit the like button, and if you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. If you are finding this information useful, consider subscribing my channel. Ethereum is trading 24.37. Interestingly, it has also entered in weak zone, so let's quickly have a look at resistance and support. Resistance stands at 25.50. Support stands at $23.80. Currently it is in weak zone, so avoid going for sell. If you want to avail paid buy sell signals, send me a message on WhatsApp. Consider subscribing this channel if you want to watch regular videos. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.